Welcome to another enlightening episode on the VitalGlow Life channel. Today, we delve into the world of Ayurveda to address a health concern affecting many: fatty liver. This prevalent condition can significantly impact overall health. But what if there was a way to manage it using age-old wisdom? That's where Ayurveda comes in, an ancient holistic health science with potential solutions. So, let's embark on this journey of understanding and healing. Stay tuned as we explore Ayurvedic remedies to help manage and potentially reverse fatty liver. Before we dive into the remedies, it's important to understand what fatty liver is and how it affects your body. So, what exactly is fatty liver? It's a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver cells, often due to overconsumption of alcohol or a diet high in fats or sugars. This buildup can lead to inflammation and, in severe cases, liver damage. Now, what are the signs you should look out for? Well, the symptoms can be subtle. They include fatigue, unexplained weight loss, and discomfort in the upper right abdomen. But remember, you may not experience any symptoms at all in the early stages, making regular checkups crucial. The potential health risks? If left untreated, fatty liver can progress to more serious conditions like liver cirrhosis or liver cancer. It can also increase your risk of heart disease. Now that we have a basic understanding of fatty liver, let's move on to the Ayurvedic remedies that can help manage this condition. Ayurveda offers a range of natural remedies for fatty liver. We'll discuss 3 of them today. First up is the Indian gooseberry, or as it's known in India, amla. This superfruit is packed full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which are known to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. The simplest way to consume it is raw, but if you find the taste too sour, you can also have it in powder form, mixed with warm water or juice. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something as good as amla, can have side effects. Moving on, we have turmeric, the golden spice of India. Curcumin, the compound that gives turmeric its distinctive color, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, you could try adding a 1/4 teaspoon to your meals daily. Alternatively, you could make a soothing turmeric tea. Just simmer a teaspoon of turmeric in 4 cups of water, strain it, add a little honey to taste, and enjoy. Finally, we have kutki, also known as Picrorhiza koroa. This powerful herb is well respected in Ayurveda for its liver-protecting properties. It stimulates the liver to increase the production of bile, which helps in fat digestion. The easiest way to consume kutki is in powder form. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of the powder in warm water and consume it twice a day before meals. Here's a word of caution though. While these remedies are generally safe for most people, everyone's body is different. Always start with small doses and see how your body reacts. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies. And most importantly, remember that these remedies are not a quick fix. They are part of a broader lifestyle change that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Be patient and give these remedies time to work. There you have it, 3 Ayurvedic remedies that could potentially help manage fatty liver. We discussed the benefits of consuming triphala, a potent mix of 3 medicinal fruits. We explored the wonders of turmeric, a spice with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. And we delved into the goodness of amla, a fruit rich in antioxidants. But remember, these remedies are just a part of the solution. A balanced diet and a regular exercise routine are equally essential. Include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables in your meals. Opt for lean proteins and whole grains. Stay active, keep moving. It's also crucial to remember that these Ayurvedic remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Now, we've come to the end of our journey today. We hope you've gained valuable insights and feel motivated to take the first step towards a healthier life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more health and wellness content. Check the video description box for links to Ayurvedic and natural products for liver detox and fatty liver cure. Stay healthy and keep glowing.